Hey everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru, and today we're going to be talking about some differences between a wipe-off gel top coat and a no-wipe gel top coat. So for those of you that are wondering, what am I talking about between wipe-off and no-wipe top coat? So normally gel, when it cures, it has an inhibition layer, that sticky, tacky layer that's kind of just like the residue left over after all the stuff kind of, hardens and stays in place. So when you put on the gel top coat and cure it, you need to make sure that you're wiping off that tacky layer with either some type of alcohol or even acetone if you need to. But you want to wipe it off because it'll stay sticky, everything sticks to it. So a no-wipe top coat is one that cures and does not leave a residue behind, so it doesn't require that extra step. That's generally the difference between the two, but I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about some other differences that could help determine whether or not a no-wipe top coat is what you would rather use or if you would need both of it. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. And as always, if you want to keep up to date with the most thorough product reviews for nails and up to date with the best tips on improving the health of your natural nails and getting the longest lasting manicure, then you know what to do. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that your notifications are on so you don't miss it, and share it with all your fellow nail enthusiasts, because whether you're DIY or professional, I am sure there is some information that I can share with you to help you out. So we know what a wipe off and a no wipe top coat is. I want to talk about some advantages to a no wipe top coat that you won't get from a normal top coat. So a no-wipe top coat will generally be a thicker consistency, which is really great, especially if you're trying to level out nail art. Maybe you did a lot of lines and layering and dots, and the kind of gel gets a little bit bumpy on the top. So a no-wipe top coat will generally help smooth that out and fill it in. And because it is a thicker consistency, it doesn't run as quickly or as smoothly as a regular polish. So it gives you a little bit of time to build on the nail, or minimize it going into the cuticle. I love a no-wipe top coat when it comes to putting on bling on a nail, because you're using either a gel or some kind of glue or something, and it gets a little bit bumpy around the stones when you're not completely encapsulating them. So with the no-wipe top coat, I'm able to go in with my striper brush and kind of smooth out all those little bumps and finish sealing in those stones while applying the top coat to the nail. So I really love that. A no-wipe top coat's also really great for sugar nails. If you don't know what a sugar nail is, it's essentially a glitter nail that is not encapsulated or coated with a clear coat. So you have that like gritty, raw glitter texture on your finger. Using a no-wipe top coat is essential. Not only is it thicker so that you're able to get all the glitter stuck on that nail, but it doesn't require you to have to wipe off the sticky residue. Because can you imagine putting a paper towel or a cotton pad through a bunch of raw glitter? You're gonna get little hairs and fuzzies all over the place. It might be a little bit challenging. But I love no-wipe top coats when it comes to sugar nails. So not only are you going to be saving a step not needing to wipe off the inhibition layer from that top coat once it's cured, but you have a couple of additional nail art benefits that I think is super helpful, at least for me in my experience. Now, I haven't really used a lot of no-wipe top coats. I generally use the Accents no-wipe top coat, which let me show you real quick. This is just a little mini bottle. This one. Why? Because when I started getting involved with gel, this is just a brand that I came across and it works great, so I just kind of stick with it. I actually am doing a review on this right now compared to my other top coats, so you guys will be seeing that. But I've also used the D&D no-wipe top coat. Now, something about the D&D no-wipe top coat, which I will be doing a review on, but when it cures, it has a really weird feeling. If you're old like me, you're gonna remember back in like the 80s, 70s, maybe even the early 90s, our grandmas would have like this thick, sticky plastic on top of every couch where, it's not sticky, but it feels sticky. You can't necessarily like run your finger down it. It kind of gets stuck to it. That's what the D&D no-wipe top coat feels like. So it was a little bit weird. I'm gonna be getting to D&D reviews soon anyway, so we won't get too much into that. I've also used Perfect Match top coat, which is a no-wipe top coat, and have actually a full review on that. You got to go back a little bit. Maybe I'll link it at the end, but you guys can check out that one. I will be trying out more no-wipe top coats and doing comparisons to give you guys more information. I do hope this video at least helped you understand the difference between a no-wipe and a wipe-off and benefits that a no-wipe top coat has. So just look forward for those reviews. That way you can help determine which product is going to be best for you. And if there's any no-wipe top coats out there that you want me to check out, comment it down below, because I'm open to trying everything and anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that it was helpful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.